Assalamu alaikum and very good evening. Today I want to share with you some of the important tips which is very necessary especially for the researcher who is willing to write their thesis. Sometimes university has some requirement especially for the citation part. They want all the citations has to be coming oldest to the newest. If we look into these citations, we can see some of the reference was on 2015, then 19, then 16, 14, then again 15. So why it is coming in this way? Let's check it out. So to look into this, we have to go to the EndNote, go to the edit, look into output style as I am using APS 6. So select on this. Over here under citation part, there is a short order. Click on it. By default, it is already set same as bibliography. Let's check it out, bibliography. Over here we can see the citation over here is coming according to the bibliography. How it comes, it also showing in the same way, but I don't prefer in this form. I want this oldest citation should come at the beginning, then slowly it will come the newest one. How we can do this? So over here in the citation short order, there are so many options we can choose according to our needs, but in our case we would like to choose oldest to the newest. So in that case we have to select year and author. Then after we select, then close it or save it. They ask you if you want to save this one or not. As I have used it earlier, they are asking me to replace it. Okay, so once we replace it or save it, go to your document. From the style menu, you select the APS 6 copy as I have saved it over there. Once I click over there, see it is automatically updated as we wish. At the beginning it was 2014, then 15, then again 15 because I have choose two citation from 2015, then again 16, and after that 2019. If I want to add one more new citation from 2013 as example, so it's actually come at the beginning because 2013 is the oldest one. So how about if we want to put the latest one, 2020, you just select one, any one of it, so it's automatically come into 2020. So in this way, if you want to select some of the citation at the middle, the 2014 or 16, see how it comes. See, it didn't come at the end, it comes at the right place where it should be. After 15 it comes. So my dear friends, this is a very useful tips. I would like to recommend you all, before you print out your thesis you should look into this, otherwise you may have so many comments from your internal and external supervisor. Wish you all the best. And at the same time I would like to tell you, if you have any suggestion, recommendation, and any matters you would like to know from EndNote, you can just put your comments at the comment sections. Thank you so much.